Welcome back to the channel. In this video, we'll take a look at the latest Virgin Media broadband sale, where they're giving away a free Xbox Series S console, or £200 credit on your account. This sale is on for a limited period of time only. We publish these videos on a weekly basis, so if you miss this sale, don't forget to subscribe so that you get a notification on the next one, and other weekly broadband offers. Let's get started. Here are 5 packages that come with a free Xbox Series S console, or £200 bill credit. There is a link to these packages in the comments and description of this video. All packages are on a standard 18-month contract, and come with unlimited weekend calls, and free setup. Let's take a quick run through of these offers. The first offer is the 𝗫𝗏𝗏𝗏 combo bundle plus movies. This package comes with ultra-fast 516 megabits per second broadband, Sky Cinema channels and over 200 Sky TV channels. Next package is the 𝗫250 combo Volt bundle plus movies. This package is similar to the first, but the main difference is that it comes with 264 megabits per second broadband, and an O2 SIM card with 10 gigabits data per month, and unlimited calls and texts. Third package in the lineup is the 𝗫500 combo bundle plus Sports HD. As per the title, you get all Sky Sports channels in HD, and over 195 other TV channels. Fourth on the list is the 𝗫125 combo bundle. What makes this package unique is that you get Sky Sports, Sky Cinema, and over 210 other Sky channels, plus a Netflix subscription is included. The last package on the list is the Ultimate package, if you want access to all Sky content, including Sky Sports, Cinema, and Kids channels. This package also includes a Netflix subscription, and an unlimited O2 SIM card. Although the package may look expensive, it's worth totaling up what you currently pay for your broadband, Netflix, and mobile phone bill, to see how much that amounts to. You can then decide if the extra you're paying for the Sky channels and ultra-fast 1 gigabit per second broadband is worth the extra. These prices are correct at the time of publishing this video, but may have changed since. Use the links in the comments and description of this video to view the latest offers and check availability. That brings me to the end of this video. I hope you found it useful, and don't forget to subscribe to stay up to date with these weekly videos. Thank you for viewing, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button to stay up to date with these weekly videos.